My grandpa was a machinist, my dad's grandpa was a machinist. I really wanted to be a mechanical engineer. I wanted to build stuff, design things, invent things. So learning a bit about manufacturing, I can be a manufacturing engineer. Other than sitting in a classroom, we're actually hands-on learning here.
We began teaching students as early as 8th grade. This is the program where you use all the applied science and mathematics that you thought you'd never use. They learn precision measurement, blueprint reading. They learn to make parts on manual machines, as well as program, set up, and operate CNC machines, all the way up through 5-axis machining. It's got something for everyone.
Anything that you've owned has been manufactured at some point, like iPhones, cars, planes, computers. We're learning CAD and CAM, designing your own part, and then learning how to make it on a machine.
We started implementing the NIMS program, which is the National Institute of Metalworking Skills.
This program gives you opportunities to receive multiple NIMS certifications. If you plan on going in the military looks at those. As much as you're willing to put in the effort is as much you're going to get out of it. There are multiple manufacturing companies that actually hire CTE students. You can take tours.
Out of my class, 3/4 of my 11th graders already have jobs. All of our seniors already have jobs.
I'm all about opportunities, possibilities.
If you learn how to do this, you have a marketable skill. You will not go without a job.
I will always have the knowledge, and that's what I love about it.